Are you tired of the enormous amount of waiting and other operational waste in the permit-to-work process? Do you want to make better safety decisions based on data? Are you ready to unlock the full potential of the plant's operational efficiency? It is crucial to redesign and enhance the process, and to choose proper supporting software to achieve these goals. Look no further than the best-in-class Unite Permit-to-Work solution. Unite Permit-to-Work is the trusted choice of industry leaders, with a proven track record of delivering operational excellence and elevating plant safety standards worldwide. Our Unite Permit-to-Work software integrates lean manufacturing principles with the safety domain knowledge, and helps you to achieve operational safety excellence. Say goodbye to the inefficiencies of traditional permit management. Embrace a solution that fosters team performance and provides real-time insights across departments. No more queues of contractors waiting for permits, those unpleasant and costly situations. Unite Permit-to-Work supports your planning, making sure everything is ready at the right moment. Incomplete permits and missing safety measures will be a thing of the past. The core of Unite Permit-to-Work is an extensive template library that simplifies permit issuance for recurring jobs. Ad hoc work will no longer be a cause for concern, as Unite Permit-to-Work provides instant clarity on all active permits, enabling situational awareness and real-time overview. With our commitment to your success and our time-tested implementation process, we ensure seamless integration of Unite Permit-to-Work into your plant, equipping your team with the necessary skills and knowledge to thrive. Achieve operational safety excellence with the Permit-to-Work solution by iB&X. iB&X. The future of safety is here.